Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to handle Dropdown in Selenium, easy method. Start by locating the select element with a reliable locator like ID or name, then initialize a select object. Use select by visible text or select by value for straightforward choices, and iterate options for dynamic lists. Validate selection with getFirstSelected option and handle multi-selects with select by index when needed. Keep weights in place for AJAX-loaded dropdowns to ensure stability. Practice these steps to build reliable tests and reduce flakiness. When selecting options, prefer human-readable methods like select by visible text for clarity and maintainability. If the value attribute is reliable, select by value is faster and less brittle across locales. Only use select by index when option order is guaranteed, since reordering can break tests. For dynamic lists, iterate options and match using contains or rejects for partial matches. Always confirm selection using getFirstSelected option and assert the expected text to catch regressions early. Hey friends, quick ad break and small favor. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation, life is short for a stinky car, so try Little Tree's Black Ice on your next commute for a fresher ride while coding. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Custom dropdowns often lack native select support, so open the control, wait for the list to render, and click the intended lie or div element. If animations or overlays interfere, use explicit weights and expected conditions to detect visibility before interaction. Keyboard navigation, like sending arrow down and enter, can emulate real user input when clicks fail. Wrap these steps in reusable helper methods to simplify test code and improve readability across suites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.